Good day. There is something that I want to share with you now that can help you to really earn income in your unique business. And that is if you understand skincare and if you know how to do a skin analysis for a client, because your recommendations can help them. So let us look at skin analysis and also some skincare. Did you know the skin is your most valuable asset and the biggest organ of the human body? So your skincare should become a way of life. And did you know that aging happens in the smallest part of the skin, namely the cell? So the older we get, the slower old cells are replaced by new cells, which are not created exactly like the original cells. They are flatter and less elastic due to the less moisture, and the flat cells are visible where wrinkles are formed. But if the cells of the skins, if we look at grapes, you know a grape is fat and smooth. If our cells are dried out, they are like raisins. But when the cells contains enough moisture, they will look like fresh grapes, firm, smooth, and round. Our skin consists of 3 layers. You don't need to remember the names, but just remember that you must always apply the thinnest products first and the thickest products last. For example, your serums first, then your liquid skin nutrition, then your miracle tissue oil or all the oils that we have, and then your treatment products, and then your moisturizer. Why? Because the moisturizer and the other products absorb only on the epidermis, which is the outside layer of the skin, while the serums go deeper. They have small molecules, so they go deeper into the dermis of the skin. So why we should be able to do a skin analysis and recommend products for our skin, our clients. All products may not be used on any type of skin because they are formulated and tested for specific skin types. The reasons why we should do regular skin analysis. You may have a client using Hydrofine for years, but it's important to understand that people go through seasons and their skin change. So the skin vary from season to season, even month to month, depending on your health. For example, when I had cancer and I had my treatments, my skin was severely dry and my pH balance was totally out. So your health, then the atmosphere, your work environment, air cons in the winter, not good for the skin, your diet, hormonal imbalances, your lifestyle, sleep, exercise, stress definitely play a role on our skin. Your menopause, we all know with menopause how the skin is getting drier. So ask yourself what is your current season in life and maybe your client's season in life. We can do a skin analysis online, or I have done a lot via WhatsApp, even people other in other towns. What I do is you ask for a photo. It must be a headshot. It must be recent, a selfie, and there must be no makeup and in natural light. Then you ask the following questions. The age, the gender you will see on the selfie, lifestyle, for example, is there a lot of stress? Does she have time to look after her skin, rush through life? Medication or allergies, any illnesses? How does she clean and does she use moisturizer? If there's a lot of steaming, for example, lying in a bath full of hot water, pollution, standing next to the hockey field or sport field with the children. So then you start with your skin analysis. With the photo, please take note of the following areas. So remember, it's a selfie, a close by. So look at the area around the eyes. Look at the corners of the mouth. We normally show age around the corners of the mouth and especially on the upper lip. Look at the neck area. Also the texture, especially on the cheeks. Sometimes they have broken veins on the cheeks. Look if there's the visible clear layer of dead cells. That is if the skin looks very thick. Pimples, blackheads, and where they appear. Then look for horizontal dehydration lines on the cheeks and on the neck area. Acne and scarring. Scarring means old acne marks. Enlarged pores. And then you go back to the basics by also asking him or her questions. We always ask the person, what type of skin do you think you have? Because everybody know their skin. They live in their skin. They see their skin every day. Why do you think that is your skin type? Ask them why. Because unfortunately, many people, when they were young, they had an oily T-zone, and now that they're old, they think they still have it, but it's not true. So ask, why do you think they have that skin type? And what else concerns you most about your skin? Ask them what concerns you about your skin, because that will also give you a lot of information. So the first two questions will help you to answer the skin type, and the last question will help you to answer the skin condition. Our tools, the skin troubling shooting guide, I will give that to you. Then we have a quiz with 10 questions. We have a success guide with a lot of information about skin analysis and skin types. Wonderful academy courses on our web store. And then we have previous Aniek training presentations that you will also find on the Academy and our Beauté. Now, I want to give you a tip today, and this is definitely one of my best tips that have helped me a lot. The darker your skin, the more oil you have in your skin. The lighter your skin, the more dry your skin. So the light skins, they are more the drier type of skin. Where the darker the skin, there's more oil in. Then if the skin is very rough with visible pores, it's normally an oily skin. If it's a smooth skin and you can't see any pores, it's a dry skin. And then black skins, you can take 10 years off their age, which is wonderful. They are more oily, so they don't age, they don't show wrinkles. How lucky! And you normally can take 10 years off their age. This is the skin analysis or skincare quiz that I'm talking about. I will also send it to you. 10 easy questions that you can use to evaluate and analyze a skin. So here's just an example of how I ask the questions to a specific person, and then the number of A's, the number of B's and E's, and my recommendation on the I always do my recommendations on a price list, and then I highlight the products that is the most important. And if there's others, I mark them, but I don't highlight them, and I give her the form and she can plan her budget and how she order. Just for interest's sake, face mapping, this helps especially when you have people with acne, that you can maybe sometimes just calm them a bit and say, well, if you have a lot of pimples on the chin, it's hormones, it's stress. It can be kidney imbalance, but a young girl healthy is normally not kidneys. So face mapping is from old Chinese medicine. They say the face is the map of the body. Your face is literally a map of the organs in your body. And it can give you the ability to see a reflection of the organs by observing the face's complexion, such as glow, dullness, and color. So this is just for interest sake. You don't need to go here. But for example, cheeks. The diet is too high in dairy, or it can be stress, it can be allergies. So look at where you're breaking out, and that will tell you what is going on in the body. Good. Let us focus a bit on the different skin types. We have a normal skin, an oily skin, a dry skin, a combination skin, and then we will also touch on sensitive skin. Important tip. Taking care of your skin is more important than covering it up. Remember that. Now, basic skincare is the 4 basic things that every skin needs: a cleanser, a moisturizer, a night cream, and a freshener. And I tell this to my clients early so that they don't stress when they see all our products. So this is what basic skincare means and what you need. And the young skin don't even need a night cream. And most of them also don't need a freshener because their pH balance is still in balance. Let us look at how a dry or mature skin look like. There's not enough oil, so the texture is very fine. There's no visible pores, a thin, transparent look. It's feeling tight. There's fine lines and wrinkles that you can visibly see. It can be sensitive. There's probably broken capillaries. That's those red capillaries on the cheek. And they normally react strongly to factors like wine or sun and stress. And the skin tone is normally soft. So here's another photo, and guess what range do we recommend for them? Lucid. So the Lucid cleanser, there are 2 moisturizers, the lotion and the dry skin pot, and the night cream and the freshener. Then we come to the normal combination skin. The combination skin are dry on the cheeks, but they have an oily T-zone. And we have a wonderful range for them, the Hydra Fine range, which consists of a gentle gel cleanser, which is very nice for them because it makes a little bit of foam, a moisturizer, a night cream, and a freshener. So these people have the oily T-zone but the dry cheeks, and this range is perfect for them. Then you can see this picture is clean because we're talking now about normal skin, and normal skin are people that don't have, they just appear perfect. There's nothing on the skin. You can see this lady, there's no wrinkles, there's no oiliness, it's no marks. So for them, we give the Rooibos skin, and that's a Rooibos range that hasn't so many ingredients in, and that's why it's also affordable. But remember, you cannot give this for a 60-year-old lady with severe dry skin. You cannot also give it to a 12-year-old girl with pimples and oiliness. So this is for your younger, normal skin, and they can use it up to 30, even 35 years, as long as the moisture is enough. So what is the difference between a toner and a neck freshener? We just say that the freshener is the last step in your skincare routine to close the pores, so that when we open the pores with washing and the pores are open, we put all the wonderful creams and serums on so they go in and do their work. And then at the end, we close the pores with the freshener. It helps with optimal absorption of your products, and it contains rooibos to soothe and rejuvenate the skin. So that is why we put the freshener at the end. Then we have the FaceFax range. Now, the FaceFax range is for acne, oily, or problem skin. A wonderful skin, because here you can see a person with an oily skin or acne, enlarged pores. They really struggle with problem skin, and the FaceFax is ideal for them. Because if we look at the FaceFax, you can see it prevents breakout, it removes oiliness. It's a light formula and important. It has witch hazel and tea tree oil in, and that will prevent the acne and the pimples. So it's also very nice because it has a gel cleanser, but there's also a charcoal soap, and that's good for acne on the back and for people that prefer a bar of soap. Good news, we have wonderful, our cleansers is now in a bottle with a pump. It's a bigger size, and we have 2 gel cleansers. The one is then for FaceFax and the other one is for the HydraFine. So you can look at that and really promote it among your clients. Then the sensitive or the allergic skin. We handle them differently. Normally, we start only with the Sensi cream for 7 days. We either use it as a cleanser and as a moisturizer. And then after 7 days, we can add another product because we work on elimination. As soon as we add a product and there's a reaction, then we know it was that new product. We can, if we have a young person with a sensitive skin, the Sensi cream is fine. If it's an older person with a very dry, sensitive skin, you can give them the sensitive moisturizer and the Sensi cream, because they use the Sensi cream then to wash or clean the skin, and the sensitive moisturizer as a moisturizer. I also found that the Miracle Tissue Oil is really good for the sensitive skin, and definitely our Rooibos tea, to use the Rooibos tea to wash the face and rinse the face, Rooibos infused water. If you need more information, ask your sponsor or go to the academy to find out how to handle the sensitive skin. Good, let us look at how we recommend. Remember, if your client does not use any products and only soap and water before the analysis, rather follow the steps for the sensitive skin, because that will be normally the outcome if they only use soap for years. And now this is where you want to sell. So you want to guide the client and get a loyal client for years. Don't be pushy. Don't try and sell. Just educate and try to help the client, and they will follow you for life. So you can recommend Rooibos tea to rinse, a cleanser suitable to her or his skin, a night cream, a moisturizer, a freshener, and a sunscreen. And that's all they need. Except if they are older than 25 years, we recommend a 5th product, and that is an anti-aging product. Because from 25 years old, the aging process starts. Your skin makes less moisture, less collagen, and the anti-aging products reverse it by helping your skin to make moisture and collagen again. So remember, the Essence range is for problems like the Miracle Tissue Oil, the Skin Detox for pimples, and the Forever Young is for anti-aging. These 2 ranges are not part of basic skincare. You must always still recommend a cleanser, a moisturizer, a night cream, and a freshener. These are add-ons for the client. So my homework to you, do the skin analysis on yourself and then ask one of your clients to do it so that you can start practicing, and ask them to send you a selfie that you can use to do the analysis. Then you visit the training academy where you can read and learn about the products 24/7. It's whenever you are awake and ready. Right, and now we will get some questions if there are any questions. Thank you for your time.